Greetings, lovely people. Welcome back to Sister J's World. Let's make cornmeal porridge my way, my version, and my style.
Yeah, man, cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you know, say a chat boss. I may represent for the most creative person on YouTube. Sister J. I hear a word. Sister J word. I hear a word. Chat boss, Chop City. Hear me say.
So here are the ingredients for my cornmeal porridge. Right here I have the cornmeal, coconut cream, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, water, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla essence, and I also have some cinnamon leaves. I have the water on the fire and I'm adding the coconut cream to that. So the coconut cream is going to dissolve in the hot water. Can also use coconut milk, but I'm using coconut cream. Here I'm adding the cinnamon leaves. These cinnamon leaves come straight from Jamaica. Over here, I'm adding the nutmeg to the cornmeal. Just mixing this in. And then I'm going to add the cinnamon to that. And I'm going to do the same thing, mix and combine. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some water. And I'm going to mix it out until smooth. Okay, so now I'm going to add the cornmeal mixture to the hot water or the boiling water. And I'm just going to stir this out and then whisk it a little to make sure we don't have no lump in it. So after turning it with the spoon, I'm just going to go ahead and whisk it. After finished doing this, I'm just going to go ahead and lower the flame and let my cornmeal porridge cook nicely. See that, guys? Now it's time to sweeten the cornmeal porridge. And I'm adding some sweetened condensed milk. Now I'm adding some vanilla essence. And this smells so good. Now I'm adding some mixed spice. And look at my cornmeal porridge. Sweetened to taste. And it's time to serve. And here's my cornmeal porridge. Breakfast is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Blessings to all. One love. Thanks for watching.